The book of Philippians is an amazing letter the Apostle Paul wrote to the Christians in Philippi while he was in prison. You'd think he'd be down, but it's actually filled with joy and encouragement. He starts by thanking them for their support and assures them that God will keep working in their lives. Paul talks about how his imprisonment has actually helped spread the gospel. People are more courageous in sharing the message because of his situation. He encourages everyone to live in a way that honors Christ, emphasizing unity and humility. He points to Jesus as the ultimate example, how he didn't cling to his divine status but became a servant and was obedient even to death on a cross. Because of that, God exalted him above all. Paul warns them about false teachers and says that knowing Christ is worth more than anything else. He shares how he considers all his past achievements worthless compared to the greatness of knowing Jesus. He urges them to keep pushing forward in their faith. He wraps up by telling them to always rejoice, not to worry, and to pray about everything. If they do, God's peace will guard their hearts and minds. He also thanks them for their support, saying he's learned to be content in any situation because he can do all things through Christ who strengthens him. It's such an uplifting message about joy, perseverance, and living a life that reflects the love of Jesus.